This is a 2-ply with a rattle, dual hook, interchangeable tails. And the 2-ply actually has a really good buoyancy in the water. It doesn't head dive at all. It just kind of sits there right under the water. This eddy here looks promising. Oh, that looks great. Now we just need a pike to strike. And the water is pretty murky. I may switch to the dirty carp fly in a little bit, but first I'm testing out this new fly with the treble hook. Definitely wanted to give some casts here first. Just to see if there's any critters, any river critters on this side. Usually if you can catch a couple on this side, there's definitely some on the other side. There's one. Heck yeah, that didn't take too long. Sweet. Seems like a decent pike. Nothing too big. Oh, fat one. Heck yeah, boys. First fish of the year. Didn't take long, about 2 to 3 minutes maybe. Yes. And he's turbo rolling like a little torpedo. Well, the treble hook doesn't have them, it's just the main hook. There he goes. .30-incher, 30 on the dot. Beautiful, fat winter pike. Let's get him released. He's ready to go. He's had plenty of revive times. See ya, buddy. There he goes. Yes, what a great start. What an amazing start to the fishing year. Wow, and a little pike slime on the kayak. That's always a good thing. Let's see, where's my line at? Okay, we got everything in order. Let's go back across the river. I hope we catch another one. Time for some hot tea. Thanks to Stanley, the best thermoses on the planet. If you don't know, now you know. This is raspberry tea with honey and lemon juice. Oh, it'll warm me right up on this cold day. If there was one pike, there's usually several around. There goes Miles. I talked to him earlier. Another northern pike angler. I guess he's a bass angler too. But he was coming out after the pike today, I know he said. And I had told him to fish this spot. Right caught that 30-inch. There's another one. Keep them down in the water. It's good to keep them down. That way they don't have a chance of jumping. Oh, he's doing a turbo roll. Do I get him? Oh yeah. Awesome. Slow retrieve. And we have another fish in the net off the same shoreline. And that's very typical. Okay, he unrolled. There you go. How is he hooked up? On the treble or on the main? The main hook, it looks like. So there it goes. Oh, he was on both and on the treble. You weren't getting away, guy. Yeah, there was no getting away for you. Straighten out and revive yourself. There you go. There you go, Mr. Pikey. That's a different one. This one looks like a 29-incher. So hopefully we can get him under control. Ooh, a nice fat one. Another nice fat pike. This one's probably 29 inches. We're just gonna let him go. I'll give him a quick measure. Hopefully he doesn't jump out of my hands like they do at times. Let's see if we got another. I say he's 29. Oh, 29. Yep. So a 30 and a 29-incher today. Couple fatties. Let's get the other camera on and we'll release them and get them out of here. Alright, he's fully revived. As you can see, he doesn't want me to pick him up anymore, but buddy, I'm just gonna let you go. So just relax for 1 sec. 29-inch fatty, beautiful pike. So let's get him out of here because he can't wait to go. Go ahead, buddy. See ya. Awesome.